Hey, this is Bill Kemp, also known as the Home Exterior Guru with Kemp Windows. Hey, we're going to check out a homeowner's home that has like 21 windows, and the PVC trim around the outside of her windows is peeling off. And so basically that can happen from a certain, from several different factors. One could be the atmospheric weather around where they live. Also, it could be the type of cleanser that was used when that trim was installed. So we're gonna go check it out and let you guys see some pictures and video of it and explain to you what's going on. So hopefully it'll help you if you run into that in the future. All right, thanks. Guys, this is Bill Kemp, also known as the Home Exterior Guru with Kemp Windows. We're out checking out this trim job where the PVC is actually peeling off of the trim, and this is happening all around the house. This is the best side that we're able to kind of get close to show you what's going on. But if you look, this laminate is actually peeling off, okay? And of course, you don't want that to happen because now it makes the trim not be maintenance free anymore. So I want to show you real quick what the difference is in the two types of trim that you can use on your home. The first type we have is called a PVC finish, and that's what we're looking at here is a PVC finish. Basically, you have a laminated surface that's applied to the metal, and over time that can peel off based on whether it could be an atmosphere condition, it could be a cleanser that they put on the trim when they finish wrapping it that can ultimately eat it. There can be outside chemicals from the grass, from the lawn that you use. So this trim here has the ability to peel, as you saw here on this homeowner's home. Now, the newest trim that we talk about is called G8. And as you see, the G8 is a much smoother finish than the PVC. The PVC is going to have a wood grain texture. The G8 is going to be more of a smooth texture. And the reason is because the PVC is actually the G8 is actually baked onto the aluminum. So this actually carries a 30-year warranty versus most manufacturers will not warranty PVC. So if you're having this issue with your home and you need us to come out and take a look at it, evaluate it, help you out, give us a call. We give free estimates. Again, Bill Kemp with Kemp Windows, also known as the Home Exterior Guru. See you in the next video. Thank you.